Squeeze. Squeeze that way a little bit. Okay. All right. Well, this is our 5th week together at East Coast Maine, Charleston. We're going to fuse our jitterbug with our Charleston into side-by-side Charleston. We're going to start with open position in jitterbug. We're just going to do a basic. We're going to go step, step, a rock step. We're going to get into closed position. And I'm going to come around so you can kind of see what my hand is doing here. A rock step, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I pull her over. And her hand needs to be sitting right here on my shoulder. We'll just adjust real quick. So at some point, I'm like 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to offer her my hand. And then I'm going to go open the book, close the book, outside turn, and rock step. Okay, let's take that slower. So from here, sorry. Okay, how to get out of this? I'm just going to show you slow motion, our tuck turn. Okay, we're going to open the book. We're going to close the book. We're going to turn. We're going to catch in the rock step. Okay, I'll do it for you one more time slowly. Back to closed position. 1, 2, 3, 4. My hand goes to her waist or her rib cage. Face the cameras. I'm going to offer her my hand. And then I'm going to open the book, close the book, turn, rock step, back to basic. And what you never forget at the end of the song.
Nice.
That's your tutorial. Thank you so much. You're a great model.